Okay, for this prank, me and my friend Alex, we're going to go up to 7-Eleven, get the payphone number, then we're gonna call Jared as he walks by. Right? He doesn't know my friend Alex, so we're gonna have Alex standing in front of 7-Eleven, just loitering there, and then on the phone, I'm gonna tell him to go up and ask him what his dad's marathon time is, and you'll see what'll happen. Right, Jared should be coming any minute now. I'm going to call the payphone. I can hear him. Right, I think he's up there.
I didn't know. What's your dad's time?
What? Look at the late.
I didn't know.